In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you forgot your password in WorkForce tools and you're trying to change it. So, first, once you open the app, it's going to look like this. Press Associate Login. Once you're here, press on Forgot Password, this right here. Then, you're going to either press one of these. Let's say you're all other users. Okay, once you do that, it's gonna look like this. So, put in your username, whatever your username is. Next, you're gonna choose a method to so it can verify you. So whatever method you want, I'm gonna just do send code as a text for my alternate phone. Okay, and then press continue, and then you're gonna put in the code, and once you put in the code, yeah, obviously it doesn't work for me because I didn't put in the right username. But once you put in the code, it's gonna give you like you're gonna be able to reset your password.